Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use ADP Workforce. So this is also a review for this tool. So just open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for adp.com. And as you can see right here, we cannot really sign up because we have to contact them or get the pricing in order for us to access the sign up button. But for this video, we're just going to review, or I am going to give you if what are the factors that you have to consider if you want to use this tool. So first off, we have this one, the payroll service built for a better experience. So here we have for small business payroll and mid and large business payroll. So for the small business one, so the process payrolls in just a few clicks. Okay, so we have automated online payroll that helps avoid costly errors, payroll taxes calculated and paid on your behalf, federal, state, and local compliance support. We have simple integration with time tracking and HR, easy to use self service app for employees, and expert support when you need it. Now for the payroll services for 50 to 1,000 employees. So here we have fully automated employee data syncing, integration with HR, benefits, talent, and more, flexible payment options, scalable levels of service and outsourcing, top-rated mobile app for employees and managers, expert implementation to get up and running quickly. So, yeah, these are the things that you have to consider for that. Now we have essential payroll right here. We have enhanced payroll, complete payroll, and HR plus, HR Pro, payroll plus HR. So just have to get the pricing for this payroll. Next, we have the time and attendance. So you can manage labor costs and compliance with easy time and attendance tools. So for advanced capabilities, workforce management, adds and optimize scheduling, labor forecasting, budgeting, and more. So now let's go to the time and attendance. Okay, so say goodbye to manually, tracking the time and attendance. So save time with automated time tracking solutions. So increase productivity by ensuring the right people are where you need them every day. Track time simply by enabling employees to use their computer or phone. Assert more control over how time is tracked with a shared device, a time clock or ADP kiosk. Create, a publish, and manage schedules online. Handle time of requests, approvals, and vacations. The best part, an integration with your ADP payroll software and other ADP solutions, which means data flows automatically between HR, payroll, and time. People only have one username and password to remember. Time, pay, benefits, and other information to be accessed from the web or a mobile app. So as you can see right here, boost your productivity with ADP time and attendance tools. So get scheduling tools that work for everyone. We have shift scheduling, collaborative scheduling, configurable work roles. We have real-time cost calculations, and then the scale-based scheduling. And again, we have the compliance as well, the cost control, insights, productivity, we have payroll, and then of course the flexibility. Okay, so here, collect every second, simplify every payroll, and let employee clocks in anytime and anywhere. Next one, we have the talent. Okay, so recruiting and hiring, talent management, activation, and employee experience. So let's go to the recruiting and hiring. Okay, so use analytics and industry benchmark to stay one step ahead. So with their validated up-to-date benchmarking data pool of over 42 million employees, you'll get the insights you need to make the most informed decisions for your business. Then see how you stack up against other in the construction industry by location, rules, size, and more. Use this valuable insight to answer crucial questions such as how do we attract the best candidates, and what are the other construction firms in my area paying the employees, and how does our overtime pay compare with the other companies like ours. Now tackle your biggest talent acquisition challenges. So here we have the recruiting and hiring. Okay, so our talent acquisition solutions help you to identify and attract all your employees. Here, attract and hire the best talent. So, nurture and hire candidates quickly and accurately. Here, make a great first impression. Tap into real, reliable insights. Maximize recruiting efficiencies and speed to hire. Here we also have the compensations to create a competitive, equitable compensation strategies, hire with confidence, equip people to reach their potential from very start, and then of course improve your ability to source in-demand talent. Okay, next we have the benefits and insurance or benefits administration, retirement plans, group health insurance, business insurance. So let's go to the retirement plans. Okay, so see how our plan services, tools, and support can help your business. So here, seamless connections to make retirement plan administration easy, keep employees engaged. Small businesses' retirement plans work best when personal data informs decision making. Okay, so to manage your plan and help employees meet their goals. So seamless connection, and then flexible options, personalized insights, and rock solid security. Next, we have the benefits administration. So for the benefits administration, enrich the benefits experience for everyone in your organization with a solution that helps streamline administration, control costs, and attract and retain talent. So become an employer of choice with innovative yet simple benefits administration. Here's our benefits administration capabilities. So for the innovation, easily adapt as benefits expectations change. So yeah, engage employees for the insights, guide decision, and understand their impact. For the support, streamline administration with help from experts. Okay, next one we have the PO and HR outsourcing. So for the HR outsourcing, okay, so get valuable time back in your day. And is HR outsourcing right for a business? Small businesses and large enterprises alike may choose to outsource some HR, talent, payroll, and or benefits administration function. So for a number of reasons. Now, what does it mean to outsource HR? When you outsource HR, you are partnering with a service provider who specializes in human resources functions such as payroll, benefits administration, and compliance. You rely on the experts to perform HR tasks and handle employee situations. For the business benefits, so how can outsourcing HR processes benefit my business? Outsourcing HR allows you to focus on more strategic projects, reduce administrative workload, gain confidence knowing you're in compliance, and get the most out of your HR technology. Next one, we have the compliance services, AI capabilities integration. So let's go to the AI capabilities. Okay, so I can show you this one before we end this video. Now imagine how work happens with AI-driven HR. So AI works alongside you and your people, making HR more strategic, efficient, and human-centered at the very stage. So proactive HR tools. We have empower HR to anticipate your workforce's needs with real-time insights, AI-powered analytics. Also have the streamlined payroll, smart recruiting, and of course, the intelligent search. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.